Models do arithmetic, they can't multiply the word New York. So every category has to become a number. But do it carelessly, and you'll teach the model something false. Take our city column. New York, Louisiana, San Francisco. To a model, these are just words, it needs numbers instead. The simplest idea is label encoding. Assign each city an integer. NYC becomes 0, LA 1, SF 2. Done, one tidy number column. But there's a trap. Those numbers imply an order and a magnitude that simply don't exist. The model now believes SF is greater than LA is greater than NYC, and even that SF is twice LA. Total nonsense for cities. The safe fix is one-hot encoding. Replace the single column with one yes or no column per city. Each row gets a single 1 in its own city's column, and zeros everywhere else. Now there's no fake order, each city is just its own independent flag. The one catch, a column with hundreds of categories becomes hundreds of columns. So watch out for high cardinality. When order is real, though, like small, medium, large, encoding them as 1, 2, 3 is perfectly fine. The order genuinely exists, so let the numbers carry it. That's ordinal encoding. So, one hot for unordered categories, ordinal integers when the order is real. And never plain label encode something that has no order. Next, inventing brand new, more useful features, feature engineering.